Okay, I want to do this cool design that's like a sundial, but in chrome. So, trick to doing art in chrome is you need to finish your nail underneath. So I'm putting the top coat on this. I'm going to cure it and then completely wipe the nail and clean it so that we can do chrome over it without things getting caught. All right, let's grab some cleansing alcohol or like a manicure cleanser. I'm going to clean off all sticky layers. And then you're going to really want to make sure that this nail is totally dry from your cleanser so that it is nice and smooth and not tacky at all to hold on to that fine chrome, because we don't want it to hold on to the chrome. We want the chrome to go on the art that we're about to put on. Now I'm going to use, let me grab something here. Hold on. All right, so I am reaching for and going to use my Mission Control Art Gel. And there's a specific reason for this one. This one is Overdrive. It's the black from Mission Control. It's made by Young Nails, and I will link it below. The reason this works is this art gel is killer amazing for chrome because it doesn't require a top coat. It doesn't have a sticky layer. So essentially it's your no wipe, right? So we're going to manipulate that. Excuse me. Okay, so I've got a sundial kind of in my head of what I want to do, and we're just going to add to it here a little bit. So I'm going to start with a half circle. I'm going to start on one side. I am using my Wistonia Berry Wine brush. Again, it just seems to be my favorite. I have a link to that as well. And I'm going to just trace part way, then come meet it again and bring it up to the top. Now, once that's done, I'm going to go through and just make sure it's nice and even. You don't want it so thin that it won't pick up chrome, but not so thick that it won't cure. So there's a heavier line there because I want my chrome to pop out. Now I'm going to pull down to the center. Whenever I'm doing a symmetrical design, I like to start in the center and then work my way out on each side. Usually if you do the opposite, like start on the sides and work in, you're going to end up with something a little bit skiwampus. So that's an official word, right? My dad always says that word. Does that mean I'm old? Dang it. I'm going to double line this curve. So I'm just going nice and slow. Take your time. Don't be afraid to switch angles with your brush, meaning pulling it however you need to get the angle you want and to pause in between. Remember, your client trusts you. You know more than your client, so move them around wherever you need to. I'm going to do little baby diamonds here to add some dimension to this partial sundial. Now, it would be really cool. I could go in and put in like Roman numerals or any kind of markings, look something up and make it really authentic. I'm just going off my head here and what I think it should look like. So this is my interpretation. I feel like it needs a little something more. Let's see. I'm going to just go with some lines. Let's just pull some lines so it almost looks like those triangles could be 3D. Yep, I like that. So now that that is all on, I'm going to cure this for the 30 seconds it requires in an LED light. All right, gold chrome. I can put a link below. Found it on Amazon. Love Amazon for that. Little bit of makeup brush, and you're going to lightly brush over and on top of just that Mission Control as your focus. A little bit's going to get on that white. It's okay. But a little tiny baby bit goes quite a long way. I mean, one dip and I've almost covered the whole thing. I might go back in just to finish it off, but I actually think we've got it. Yeah, we have. Now you need a fluffy brush. This is to get that residue off the white. Since the white wasn't sticky, it was a finished nail. That should be super easy if you haven't pressed too hard and you've made sure it's a clean nail. Okay, this looks freaking killer. You guys want a better look at this? Hold on, we've got to put a top coat on this bad boy, so hang tight. All right. So I'm going to lay down a top coat. I'm going to use one of my Young Nails top coats. This one happens to be Caption conversion top, which is a 60-second cure, and I'll cure that, but I want you guys to take a good look at it. Isn't that amazing? Give that a nice cure. Okay, we need to cleanse this baby off, so I'm going to cleanse it all the way, scrub, make sure there's no residue on there. That, my friends, is a killer chrome sundial. Take a look. Where am I on the camera? There we are. Oh, I have some black under my nail from that art. Oh well, forgive me. And just enjoy the sundial. Hey, hopefully you'll subscribe and stick around. I have a lot more coming for you.